Hello guys, welcome back again. So guys, in this video we are going to see the ascent of shape describing most theory, transpiration pull cohesive theory that is given by Dixon and Joly scientists. So these scientists have told us about the transpiration pull cohesive theory, why the water is coming from the root and why it is moving forward up to the higher leaves of the plant. Now there is a ascent of sap process is going on between roots and leaves. Now we have to see the depth study about ascent of sap. That's why I have diagrammed the tree structure. As you can see, below the soil surface there will be the root system, and upper side of the soil surface there will be the stem system. This is your stem, this is your leaf, and this arrow is showing that transpiration is happening in plant, and this area is showing the xylem strand that will be created by between xylem strand and water forces. Now this arrow, as you can see, xylem strand red type arrow is showing that a forces is going on, and it is uh, going on toward roots, while black color is showing there is forces going up to the leaves. Okay, now come forward. This is the basic. Let's see. So transpiration pull is showing the forces water towards root. Okay, it is a force that is showing towards root, while ascent of sap is showing water towards leaves. Okay, so this theory can show us that that's why ascent of sap is happening, that's why water is reaching up to leaves, while transpiration pull shows ourselves that water is sucking into roots. Okay, okay, let's come forward. Three forces can be seen during the sucking in process and up to the reaching up to the leaves process. Three forces can be seen. First one is adhesive force, second one is cohesive force, third one is transpiration pull forces. Okay, as you can see, let's assume this is your xylem strand. Okay, and this is your water molecule. This is your water molecule. Two type of forces can be seen between here. A force between two drops, that is same to same forces. A forces that is happening between same molecule, that is cohesive force. Water to water force, water to water, that is cohesive force. Adhesive force is happening between xylem strand. This is your xylem strand. Let's assume this is your xylem strand. Okay, and this is water molecule. So force between is happening here, water molecule and xylem strand. That force is your adhesive force. A force that is happening between two different molecules, because water is a different molecule and xylem strand is a different molecule. That's why we can call it is adhesive force. While two drops, a force between is happening two same molecule, like two droplets, that's called as cohesive force. Now transpiration pull is a forces that will suck the water. This is your water and this is your root, and this is the force that will suck the water, and it will push out the water up to the leaves. So ascent of sap is nothing but is a complex of forces, that is adhesive force, cohesive force, and transpiration pull forces. Now when transpiration is going on into the leaves, that's why water is moving out from the leaves. That's why there will be deficiency of water here. Deficiency of water here, that will create high DPD. That will create high DPD in leaves, and low DPD is in root. That's why water is sucking through the root here and will be coming up to the leaves. Okay, so when transpiration is going on, there will be a deficiency of water, and to fill up this void, to fill up the water void, there will be sucking process going on through water, through root here. Okay, and this force is showing that water is going towards leaves, and it will fill up the void of water deficiency, and there will be no ascent of sap happening after this process, after that filling up the void. Okay, if another time transpiration is going on, let's take a look here. If another time transpiration is happening, then again this space will be having a deficiency of water, and this will create a high dpd pressure, and high dpd pressure will be having transpiration pull. Okay, as I have written down here, transpiration pull, water toward roots, and uh, ascent of say water towards leaves. As you can see here, this is showing ascent of safe, and this arrow is showing transpiration pull. Why pull? Because a deficiency is going on into the leaves. That's why for filling up this void, water will be coming from the root area up to the leaf area. When there will be no void, there will be no transpiration pull is happening. Okay, so this is all, and your ascent of sap is nothing but all three forces: transpiration pull force, adhesive force, and cohesive force. This is all, and there will be, there will be a continuous water column like this. If this is your xylem stand, then water droplet will create a continuous column like structure like this, because between two droplets there will be a force, cohesive force, and xylem stand and water droplet between force is called as adhesive force, and this will be pushing out up to leaves. This force is transpiration pull. This pull force is pulling the water molecule up to the leaves. So these total three forces is called as ascent of sap. So I think ascent of sap is now easy for you, because it is nothing but all the complex of transpiration pull forces, adhesive force, and cohesive forces. Okay, thanks. I will be meeting in my next video.